All right, today we've got a 2008 Dodge Ram truck with a 6.7 liter Cummins engine, and we're going to go ahead and replace a couple injectors. But what I want to focus on right now is entering the IQA information into the powertrain control module. So each injector is going to come with a card here, and it's got a very specific code on it, which is placed on it by the remanufacturer, which is a result of the flow process at the end of the remanufacturing procedure. So this is going to be a very specific code based on how this injector is performing on the flow bench there. So we need to enter this information in for the specific injector into the specific cylinder information in the PCM. So if I'm going to replace all 6 injectors in this truck, I don't want to just rip these cards off and lay them on the bench and then try and figure out what goes with what injector later on. So right now I'm going to do them one at a time. So before I even open up this injector and install it in the truck, I'm going to use the Autel, and I'm going to enter the information in. So I'm going to select Engine Control Module. And now it gives me a list of different functions here. So I'm going to go into, I believe it's Special Function. And there we have it, IQA. So I'll click on that. It says you can use this to program the IQA value for each individual injector. Press OK. And so it gives me a display of all the different injectors and the codes currently entered into them. So I'm going to click on injector number 1. Then I'll click here. I'm actually going to scroll through, and I'm going to backspace to erase all the information. So now I'm going to read the code off the tag here, which is 7GA. So 7GA is IA3. So I will select IA3. There we go. And then I'm going to select Enter. OK. It says injector write successful. Click OK. And there we have it. Now I can see that my information is written here in the PCM. So just like that, we've entered the IQA information in on cylinder number 1. So now I can take this injector and install it in cylinder number 1. Hopefully you understand how easy it is to change the IQA code with an Autel Scan Tool on this '08 Dodge Ram with a 6.7 liter Cummins.